Okay, guys. Let me just show you how my life goes sometimes. So I get back and my boss has got this lined up for me. So I can choose which one I truly want to drive. And honestly, it's hard to say because this is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Shelby GT. After I just did the electric one, so it's like a reward, I think. I'm not sure. I love it. And I would back up a little bit, but we've got this beast right here. Seriously? Come on, guys. Which one would you choose to drive if you got to pick? What one? Let's see. What did they do? Oh, yeah. Can't choose. Such a hard life. Should we go off sound, guys? Because apparently it's just about having fun right now. This is beautiful. Carbon fiber. You know, it's kind of hard to choose. Kind of really hard to choose. I'm not sure. You guys need to sound off and let me know. Because seriously, I know that's like super loud. Like beyond super loud. That one's stick. That one might be. Let me get a clutch in there or not. Oh, done. I'm doing stick. Although this one's super loud. I'll start it up so you guys can hear it because you guys are going to freak out. Let's hear how this beast sounds. I know it's loud. I heard it this morning. Holy crap. Oh, yeah. Just a little loud. Beast. But let's go here. The Mustang. Tell you what is this? Is this an Eco or no? Is it a 5.0? What do we got? I'm always gonna prefer stick. So, oh, this one's not too bad. Not too bad. Love it. It's the little things in life. You guys, it's the little things in life that make me happy. Like a Shelby GTE. You know, I don't even know what a Shelby GTE is. What year is this? I don't even know because I don't have the year. Son of a, I will get all those specs for you guys. And yes, the girl knows how to drive stick. Just gonna point that out for you guys. May not be able to do it so well while I'm holding the camera. Does sound nice though. Fun times. All right, enough playing for right now. I thought you guys would enjoy that. This is kind of why I like my job sometimes, because you know, you walk up to that and that just makes you happy. And it's stick. Come on now, who doesn't love stick? For all you guys out there that don't know how to drive stick, you gotta learn. You really do. Because it does make life so much fun. Because you get to rev the engine up like that. And that's what makes it so great. Go running past somebody. Oh, yeah. Oh, what's that? So we do have the USB ports and stuff. I do like the start engine and stuff. So it's pretty decent. This one's not as loud as the other one, definitely. 100%. How many miles do we have on this? 22? 22,000? That's not bad. I wonder what year it is. We shall see, we shall see. Is that the book? Yep. Oh, pretty. You know, that just made me happy, guys. I was having a rough day, but not so much now. That helped a lot. And you know, I would turn the AC off, but this is Florida, and oh my goodness, it's so hot. You have no idea. I don't think a FedEx truck is gonna lap me like in the smart car. Not at all. They have no chance. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna outrun them, especially when I get up to my corner up here, guys. You know. You guys already know. It's gotta be a better place to put the camera, especially with stick. And because it is stick and I probably need both hands, you guys might just have to listen. So, because we're coming up on my corner. Ooh. Not bad. Not bad. I took it easy. It's not my car. I gotta be pretty good. Stick is so much fun. I love it. I love it.
It's a package.
Nice. Love it. Powered by Ford. That is beautiful. Looks like I get to drive both. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I get to drive both, guys. Love it. This thing is gonna be super loud from what you just heard, but driving it, oh my gosh. Probably gonna get pulled over because it's so damn loud. That's ridiculously loud. You have no idea. Oh. That is a lot. Oh yeah, that is ridiculous. Oh my God, so much fun. Oh God, this is ridiculous. I'm gonna get pulled over because it's so loud. You can't even be good. Bro, I'm only doing 40. It sounds like I am freaking hauling butt. No cussing, YouTube. That is not my choice words. Oh, yeah. Wait, is there like a mode? We're not even in sport mode. Oh, now we are. Thank God there's gas in here. I think it probably gets 0 miles per gallon. Dang. Holy crap, this is insane. Oh, I should be showing you guys the car. I'm so like into this stupid car, or the engine. Oh my God, this is a beast. I can't even stop smiling, you guys. Like, oh my God. Oh yeah. Definitely super happy about this. Yeah, everybody and their brother's gonna pull me over. Holy crap. Oh, this is just fun. And it's my corner. Very short burst I get, and hell yes. Love it. Oh, I absolutely love it. You have no idea, guys. Oh, I hope I did a good walk around on it because, yeah. Let's see. How many miles does this thing have? I don't even know where to see the miles on it. Somebody souped this one up big time. Nice, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's like crack, man. Absolute crack. Oh, yeah. Love it.